So let's say you have bolna. Its oblique is bolne. We have, for the sake of simplicity, is bolne laga. Okay, what will be the present if I want to say in present tense? Bolne lagta hu. For if you are saying it for yourself, right? And for a female it will be bolne lagti hu, right? When will you use this versus this? Right? So first one is you began. Second one, as you said, it's a habitual situation, right? That something that you do as a habit. बोलने लगता है, चलने लगता है, right? देखने लगता है, सोचने लगता है, right? It does it as a habit, or she does it as a habit, or recurrently. We'll see a paragraph where you will see a specific context, but I just want to make it clear that it is, you can use it in different tenses. Let's see how it will work in future tense also. Beautiful, right? So you have bolne, same as it is. Lagna is now, this, yeah, so this remains the same. Lagna is in the future, which is lagunga. Okay, how will you translate that, Michael? That's right, I will begin to speak. But for simplicity, again, coming back to it, you took the verb bolna, which is in the infinitive form, you made an oblique case, and you extended it. We did it in the past, in the present, habitual situation, and in the future as well, right? Now, so far we're still on sort of case 1. I want to do case 2, where you will want to add some flavor of adverbs.